Hi, this is my video on the ProCase Travel Gadgets Organiser bag. Now this bag is a basically organiser for your cables that you'll bring with you on holiday or on trips, just to keep them all in a nice neat bag when packing. Now I bought this from Amazon for $10.99. And as you can see, it doesn't come in any box whatsoever. It just comes in this clear plastic packet that it comes in. Now in the bag, you just get this simple little card, which is a thank you card, and that is it. Now we'll go around the case. Now the case is made of this kind of, I would say, canvas-like material. And it's got an actual strap here, which is not leather, it's kind of vinyl with a stud in there and only two positions, and the words ProCase written on there. And as we go around the back, we've got nothing around the back of the case, just the rest of the band here or belt. Now to open it, we simply pull on the belt here. It's a bit stiff, that's it, and we pull that out, and this is how it looks inside. Turn that round. Now what we've got here, we've got 3 bands across the top here and 3 elasticated bands here with holes in them, which have silver rings round, steel rings round. So obviously you can see what's in there, like so. We have a velcroed pouch, and we have a zipped pouch here with 3 mesh elasticated pockets. And on the back we have no pockets, as you can see. Now inside is made of a grey nylon that covers throughout the bag inside, and we have a bit of this grey stroke black canvas on the inside for the inside flap here and on the pocket here. Now the whole length of this, when extended out, the length is just coming up to 16 inches in length by 7.5 inches across. Now when folded down, I'll quickly fold it down. Obviously it's still 7.5 inches by 5.5 inches. Now bearing in mind that when you start to fill this thing up, the dimensions will slightly change when it puffs out, so bear that in mind. Now what I've done is I've put some items in here to show you how it looks when you put some cords. I've got a power USB power charger in there, and also a backup power bank in there, and Apple Watch charger in there as well. Now this is how it looks when things are added to it. So this is how what I mean when you start putting items in there, it does puff out. And you have to take it, I had to take it to the second hole on the belt. So I'm going to open it and just roll it out and just show you a few things what I did put in there. Now, for here, I've just showed you an example that the cord can fit in these lower pockets where these rings are. So they can fit in there. And this one shows you that they can be placed in these elasticated straps up here as well, so that wants to show you that. And I have used that cord here, that cable, to show you that you can cable on top as well, so it can support placing your cables on top. The main pocket here, as I said, I've got this this battery bank in there in the main pocket here. Now, just in case you're asking, the pocket is a dimension of roughly 5.5 inches in depth. So it's about 5.5 inches by 4.5 inches. So 5.5 by 4.5 is this pocket. And this pocket is roughly the same. So it's basically this is 7.5 by 5 for this pocket here. And I just showed you using my headphones cable here that you can put items in these mesh pockets at the top. And in the main pocket, the zipped one, I've got this anchor charger with an adapter on there, and this is just a USB charger, and I've got that in there, and that fits in there quite all right. So as you can see, it is a nice little neat organizer for your cables and chargers. If you're not bringing so much, now I'd reckon you can probably get away with 9 types of cables in here, being probably about a length of about less than a meter, could probably fit in here. If they're longer than a meter, then obviously it's going to take up the whole of that room there, so be careful of that. And as I said, this pocket is quite wide, and there's a bit of a hole here at the bottom here. So be careful what you put in there. Anything too small may drop out of this hole, so be careful. So I'd really store large items in this one here. And the inner pocket, this other pocket here, does not have any inner pockets inside. All the pockets are on the outside, and as you can see, that's how this case is like. Now, this is my 2 pence worth on this ProCase. If you're looking for a nice, cheap but well made organizer case for your cables and chargers, and you're not bringing so much cables and chargers or adapters, you can't go wrong with this case, especially for the price of $10.99. It is well made, even though it's single stitching around that makes this up, and probably the belt and even the ProCase label on here is not exactly leather, but it is still well made. Doesn't feel flimsy, and it doesn't feel cheap. Even though it's for $10.99, it doesn't feel cheap. But as I said, if you're carrying not much cables at all, probably at the max 9 cables, and most of them I'd say are phone or standard USB data cables and stuff like that, this will hold it. Now, as for your laptop cables, I think this one I'd look elsewhere, because I don't think this will carry them, because obviously some laptop cables are quite thick, so thick cables. So personally, not for your laptop, but for phones, tablets, organizers, etc., this is not a bad travel case to keep all those items together. Now, if you've got this particular ProCase, please let us know down in the comment section what you thought about it, because your opinions may be different to my opinions. So please leave a comment down in there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. I appreciate it. I'm easy going like that. Thanks for watching. And oh yes, please subscribe to my channel.